Hey guys, welcome back. Now we are in chapter 3 where we do the framework build and pretty much setting up all the templates. And yeah, so all right, let's get into this. So we have this, and right now the legacy site has been duplicated over into a subfolder. The logo is not spaced properly, and the header background should have a white background color to it. I don't know why it's not showing, but I don't care enough about it at the moment, so that's just gonna have to be like that for a while now. But yeah, so this is safely here. And I think everything's here. So this is built with a WordPress theme. Yeah, that's not the best. I don't know why. But yeah, it's built with a WordPress theme called Blocksy, which I think is really well made. I'm sure I can update stuff here and it'll be fine. But yeah, it's made in Blocksy and Gutenberg. So it's pretty much all done in Gutenberg, this whole site. But anyways, that's not important at the moment. Here is the main domain. Now, we are going to have to clean everything out and start fresh because, you know, a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff is here. The only thing, so I think, yeah, you can see Blocksy being here. I think, I don't know. It's really a matter of determining whether I want to start totally fresh or not, but I probably should. Yeah, I think I should, because yeah, I'm gonna have to get it down, back up, and then start totally fresh because there's so many things that probably will need to be cleared out. So I'm gonna pause this for a second, and I'll be back. So, although I'm pretty sure this site is going to be large, I think it's best to keep it all packaged in one, as opposed to using FTP, try to get WP content folder zipped up. I normally would do that if this is on either SiteGround or some kind of cPanel, because managing the files is pretty easy if it's on a cPanel type interface. But this is not. This is I think this is in a Cloudways with a DigitalOcean droplet, so it's a little harder to do stuff. You know what? I can actually just have a file explorer and then zip that up and then download it. But anyways, I'm just gonna do. Yeah, I'll just do the database. Just the database for now, and that'll be it. All right, and I'll get the other stuff in a second. All right, so pause again. Yeah, so I've used this quite a bit. MNDP Sing. Yeah, I think that guy. I think that plugin is on a list where it's not allowed on some servers because it has been exploited before in the past, but I just use it for what I need it at the moment, and then I just deactivate it or take it off. So I don't know, it works pretty well, so I just use it for now. So I'm gonna zip everything up and download the whole WP content folder, and then we'll be starting with a fresh install. Okay, you know what, I'll walk through this because I do have a tutorial on the website about migrating websites and stuff, but might as well, because so you download the database, and then all you need are 3 folders: plugins, themes, and uploads. All right, so that's all you need. If you have like a cPanel, you can go into WP content and take those 3 folders and create an archive, and we'll call it backup. All right, and once that's done, just download that, and then you can upload it later, unzip it. It will overwrite those 3 folders when it's uploaded to the new site, and then upload the database, and it will work, because that's all you need. You need the files and you need the database, and it lives inside WordPress. Okay, so the WordPress core is always the same, and wherever it is running, the WordPress core is set up to run. So upload those 3 files and then redo the database to match the old website or whatever, the source website, and that's what you get. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here, and it's a good backup. I'll keep that backup, and we can use it. There we go. All right, so half a gigabyte. Oh, that's fun. All right, so I will be back after another jump cut, and we will start with a fresh install. Okay, so that's all been downloaded, and the only thing I could technically do, not the only, but one of the things that I could technically do is install a WordPress reset plugin, which will clear everything out, at least reset the database, but I don't want to do that. I want to start totally fresh, so I'm gonna shut this down and start fresh, because see, the thing is, this website has been around for years, and it's got like hundreds of students and their accounts and everything, and I don't want that here, because it's different. This is a new audience, new accounts, new courses, everything is new. The legacy ones are on the KR subdomain, so gone. Okay, so I'm not going to use this at all. I'm going to start totally fresh. I'm going to go to my Cloudways, and I'm going to reinstall fresh. Oh, that could be dangerous. Well, yeah, I'll figure it out. Okay, I've looked around things, and I'm just gonna have to reset this. The reasoning is because the subfolder is on the same database, and if I delete that, that might go away as well. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna start fresh. Now the problem is, you know what? All right, so here's the thing. Like, if this were on a server like SiteGround or some kind of cPanel, it's easy to disassociate everything and install separate WordPress installations, here and there. That's all fine. It's pretty easy to do that, and it's also easy to access the files and everything. But here, the reason why I am hesitant to do any of that is because in Cloudways, you set up an application and it sets up the database. Now, in order to make a subfolder, you end up installing WordPress inside a folder of that application, and then it hooks into the same database. So if I delete, or if I want to reset that database, then like the whole database, then that subfolder site goes away as well, and I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to manually delete all the stuff that we need to delete and reset the database, and that will reset the stuff just from this site, hopefully, and it should be good. Otherwise, I have a backup, so I can use that. All right, so I'm going to finish this lesson here, because this can actually be separated, and then we can start from a fresh installation in the next video. So I'll leave this as like a sort of an aside, okay? And we'll go, and I'll see you there when everything has been refreshed and we start from a fresh installation, okay? All right, bye.